Budget window treatments can dramatically reduce project cost while still delivering privacy and functional performance. When choosing budget options, start by prioritizing function then appearance so you avoid overspending on style that will be replaced later. Measure windows carefully and round up to the nearest half-inch so ready-made panels and blinds fit without returns. For the most cost-effective coverings, consider vinyl blinds for durability and easy cleaning, roller shades for a sleek profile, and budget cellular shades when insulation matters because their honeycomb structure traps air and improves thermal performance. Use standard curtain rods with ready-made panels to get instant coverage and simple upgrades later. Select panels slightly wider than the window to create fullness without custom work. For homeowners comfortable with basic sewing and measuring a do-it-yourself, Roman shade kit can cut labor costs significantly while matching decor more closely than off-the-shelf items. When installing, use a level and pre-drill holes when mounting into drywall to avoid cracking and ensure smooth operation of the hardware. Common mistakes include buying solely on price and ending up with poor light control and fast failure. Avoid this by checking operation and warranty lengths and choosing materials rated for regular use. Another frequent problem is incorrect measurements, which lead to gaps at the sides and light leaks. Always measure width and height at 3 points and use the smallest measurement for a snug fit. A third issue is neglecting insulation and energy loss in colder months. Select budget cellular shades or add a thermal liner to ready-made curtains to improve R-value without a large expense. BigHomeProjects.com connects homeowners and contractors around practical home improvement choices like window treatments and cost-saving trade-offs. We help homeowners find local contractors and enable contractors to find work while hosting a discussion community where members share real-world tips and installation experiences.